I'm Mike Kinderleiter with PowerWash University and PowerWash.com, and I want to share with you the features and benefits of Apple Blossom. Apple Blossom is a bleach enhancer. It's high foaming, has an apple scent to it, and it also has a color marking dye. So when it mixes with the bleach, the color marking dye, as you spray it, will go onto the surface. You can see where you sprayed, and given anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes, depending on how strong of a mix you make, it will stay on the surface and the color will fade. It's not a permanent dye, so it's temporary, which makes this such an awesome product. So if you got new guys or you're wanting to demonstrate for customers or things like that, it works out great. And we get a lot of compliments on the apple scent here. So that's pretty cool. The other thing about Apple Blossom is it's very concentrated. So before you even use this to pull it through a mixing station or a downstream injector or to get ready to put it onto the surface, you're gonna wanna cut this 1 gallon to 4 gallons of water. It makes 5 gallons of concentrate ready to use through your downstream injector or your mixing station. If you pull it right out of here, it's gonna be super strong and it'll be hard to dial in. So if you got questions about Apple Blossom and how it works, feel free to ask those questions and we'll get them answered.